What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cop the Bape and the NMD's Ultra Boost, as well as the football collection, dropping this Saturday at 10 a.m. Central, actually Eastern Standard Time, and 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. So pretty much, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, what I do is pretty much make tutorials on how to cop stuff. I have been successful, and I will be making a video to show you guys proof that all the stuff that I've copped throughout the recent years, and 2019 is going to be the best one yet. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. I'm at 475 subscribers, trying to hit 500 by the end of the month, or actually by the end of February, I should say. So help me get there. That'd be awesome, so I could create more content for you guys. And let's get straight into it. So you guys are new to the whole resale game, where you guys are just trying to rock your shoes, go to SellSneakerz.com. They have like a calendar and stuff, and to see what shoes are dropping which and what certain websites and etc. Your best bet in increasing your chances of getting any of these items is pretty much just going into the actual SellSneakerz. Here, let me go right back here real quick. Picking the shoe that you want. So for example, I'm gonna do the Bape one, obviously. So it gives me an overall list of what websites are going to be dropping on, whether it's raffles or in-store or online and etc. So if you guys are trying to increase your chances, I would definitely recommend you guys go for the raffles. Probably takes about 2 minutes of your time. Yeah, maybe it gives you like a 10% chance of actually getting it, since there's going to be thousands of people trying to go for the thing. But you never know, you might get lucky and you might be able to get one. Anyways, guys, so pretty much you're gonna click on the Adidas page. So I'm gonna show you right here. This is the entire collection. Here's the prices right here. Depending on where you're located, it might be a little bit more, might be a little bit less. It just really depends on the shipping rates as well. But here's the entire collaboration. Right now, I'm gonna mainly focus on the Ultra Boost. So for example, this one right here. We have the link up on top. You're gonna copy that. In order for you to get successful and try to pass through the queue and all that stuff, pretty much what you want to do is go right here, go to settings, and then go to manage other people. What you want to do is just add a person. Click any random one and then click add. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that, add. So what you want to do now is what it does is it creates a new browser for you, but it gives you like stuff so it doesn't catch your cookies from the other thing. So what you want to do is paste and go on the link. Then once this thing comes live, for me it's 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. For you guys, maybe 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. What you want to do is make multiple stuff, so this stuff, but creating new accounts and stuff. Then after that, you're gonna be wanting to just keep trying. The other thing that I do recommend is you guys have wired connection. Make sure you guys don't have wireless. If you have wireless, your internet connection will be a lot slower, so it will minimize the chances of you getting this item. The stock numbers are really low on this shoe, as well as the other colorway. So just letting you know, your best bet if you're trying to resell any other items would be going for the football stuff, which I will be talking about right now. But anyways, guys, like I was saying, in order for you to get multiple items, I recommend you guys just go ahead and make multiple stuff from the settings thing, adding new people, as well as getting tablets, laptops, and anything else, other cellular devices that you have around you. So you have multiple chances of trying to get into the queue and actually bypassing everything and checking out. Now, this Adidas has been a shit show lately, so I don't know if this is gonna be the best recommendation. It's all gonna be pretty much luck, but I'm giving you guys like the best chances of overall trying to obtain the item. Like I said, your best bet is to probably try to get these other items. I am definitely gonna be going for the jersey, since the jersey looks cold as fuck. I'm also gonna try to be going for the what's it called, the shark hoodie, because I love shark hoodies. I haven't had one, so I'm gonna probably get this one, as well as the gloves. So pretty much, guys, this is just a way of me doing it. Hopefully I get lucky. Hopefully you guys get lucky. Obviously, other best thing to do is obviously own a bot, an Adidas spot. Not a lot of people have Adidas spots, so it's gonna be a little bit hard. But if you do have one, make sure you guys run your stuff 5 minutes before the drop, because the drop is sometimes randomized, and sometimes they do drops the thing, but not the inventory. So make sure you guys are aware of that. Make sure you guys have freshly new used proxies. If you guys have servers, make sure you guys have Chicago-based servers, or anywhere that's gonna be located around you guys, and etc. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit the like, and make sure you guys have any comments, just drop it down in the comment section below. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Peace. One more thing I forgot to mention, guys, if you guys also want to increase your chances in any upcoming release regarding any other shoe releases on any online website, all you really got to do, guys, is go ahead and join my Slack group. I did make a video right here about a thing called Nate Sneakers. All you gotta do in order for you to purchase it, which is $20 a month, it's a monthly fee, and we are still in beta testing. All you gotta do, like I said, is go to www.twitter.com/NadeSneakerz right here. It's located in the bio right here of this video. So you guys want to go ahead and check that out. I explain what our Slap group is and how we do things there, and pretty much we have monitors up there that are really fast and speeds, and we show you guys different methods and ways on how to cook things, and showing you guys how to use restocks using the bots that we do have. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys go check out this video. Like I said, the link will be down in the description. All you gotta do is just DM us, say, hey, I'm interested in your monitor thing and your group. I'm willing to pay the $20 fee, this and that. And after that, we'll get you situated. Take a couple steps. Takes about like 2 minutes, and then automatically you'll be put into our Slack group. So once again, guys, if you guys interested, just make sure you guys message us at NadeSneakerz on Twitter, and then just DM us about regarding the group. Alright, guys, thank you, and once again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.